What is your dream for the Philippines?
Equality. Daming mayaman dito, daming mahirap. Mas marami ang mahirap.
You visited your father.
Yes.
What did you tell him?
You should be here. You make me cry.
You told him, you should be here.
You should be here.
Why?
This is yours. This is not mine. This is yours. This is my mom. It's your good work that brought me here. That was what we talked about. I spoke to him. I said, it's time for you to rest now. Don't worry, you'll be here. Continue. I will use everything I learned from you to continue your work.
You did.
And I will
You're
try.
now here.
And I will try to continue that.
Congratulations, Mr. President. You did it.
Ito na yung pinakauna na magiging kaso sa ilalim ng ating bagong Anti-Agricultural Sabotage Act na bagong batas natin para patibayin ang sanksyon sa mga sumusubok na pumasok na hindi nagbabayad ng duty, hindi nagbabayad, smuggling, ini-smuggling nila yung mga agricultural goods.
Pinangunahan ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. kaninang umaga ang inspeksyon sa 178.5 billion pesos na halaga ng nakumpiskang frozen mackerel na ipinuslit mula China sa Manila International Container Terminal o MICT. Ayon kay Bureau of Customs o BOC Director Berne Enciso, ang 21 container vans na naglalaman ng mackerel ay dumating sa MICT noong Oktubre at hindi tinanggap ng consignee. Iniulat din na wala itong mga requirements tulad ng sanitary at phytosanitary import clearance. Iniutos naman ni DA Secretary Francisco Chu Laurel Jr. sa Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources na magsagawa ng mga pagsusuri upang tiyakin ang kaligtasan ng mackerel para sa konsumsyon ng tao.